All right.
What up, guys? Welcome to Father and Son Time Productions.
Yes, we are back, and it's been a long time. We've taken a little bit of a hiatus. We've had a lot of things going on. I've had work. He's had school. What else? Music lessons, all kinds of stuff. But we have a special episode for you today. We are responding.
This is to
Brandon Hewitt, our
Brandon
number
Hewitt.
one fan out there, which I think is Brandon Hewitt. Why don't you look at
Brandon.
his name? Yeah.
Let me see.
We want to read you guys his comment that we had.
Brandon
He had
Hewitt.
a great suggestion for an episode, and today we're gonna do that for you.
So he said what you said. This episode is to everyone, but mostly to you.
Brandon Hewitt, BH. Okay.
Whatever. Hey, love the father and son bonding. You guys do it so sweet. I'm a big fan. You guys already did a farting contest, so why not do a burping contest for the longest and the loudest? Oh man, you burp louder than me. And number of burps. It's not that much of a stretch from farting. Plus, it would be hilarious anyway. A number one fan. Okay.
You heard that? You heard it? Number one fan, Brandon Hewitt. Thank you. And yes, sir, we are going to rock your world with the burps today. So he's already told you that I'm the master at this. So I think I've got the upper hand. You definitely had the lower hand with the butt fart contest in the beginning, but I have lungs of doom. That's what they used to say when I was a kid. I was the killer croaker.
Really?
Oh, yeah, kind of. Not really. But watch out. Watch out. So I'm going to get
Just
into
like
that.
you said, you were the popular kids, but you were the total dweeb in school.
Dude, I told you not to say anything. All right. So we're going to get a little warmed up, okay? So, and it's really a very simple contest today. We're not going to go and, do anything tricky like we've done with our blind fruit contest, this, that, and the other. This is a very quick, fast, in a hurry. I want him to kind of warm his lungs up. So I want you to stand up. I want you to breathe in. That's not even funny.
I know, right? I just like doing that,
Who's the dweeb? Mm-hmm. Okay. You ready? You've got the first one.
Oh, okay. My burps are silent, which is the bad part about this.
You might need to get up close so they can hear you.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Get us started. Hold on. Part 2.
See? He does it a lot louder than me.
That was just getting warmed up.
See, mine are silent.
Get ready.
Okay, I'm starting to take what I said back now. They should have called you that.
Larynx of doom.
See? Mine are silent. Man, see, mine are super silent. Okay.
Once I start, I can't stop.
Dad's farts. I mean burps. That was like the worst voice I've ever done. quit. Wait 1 minute. I have to get this back.
All right. Hey, okay. So I think we know who won. Competition has been resolved. King.
Mine are super silent.
Burper. Hold on. I got one more. It's still in there. What?
Okay, guys, you might like him better than me now.
Who could like that? That's gross.
It's
Anyway.
awesome.
Hey.
Come on, give
So-
yourself a high five.
All right. Let's show them what you've been working on this last few months since we've been gone.
Music.
We've got a nice little finale for Father-Son Time production.
This is what we will be doing from now on. Okay, so you remember how it goes, right?
Let's do it.
Okay, so
Well, even if we have to do it a couple times, we got to get it down this first episode. We'll be back, right? So what?
yeah, of course.
So
I
want
you to look at me in the eyes
and say
I'll subscribe to your channel
every day,
like and comment
and share.
and share.
Share, people.